Got it. You want a wayfully rewritten, clean, powerful, long-form script, DOE 5,500 words or based on that messy transcript. I'll transform it into a A2 professional, engaging YouTube health script with clear flow, storytelling, and strong retention. Get a rewritten script, long form DOE 5,500 words. AP topic, inflammation, weight loss, healing, gayer. Have you ever stopped and wondered, what if one simple natural ingredient, something sitting quietly in your kitchen right now, could begin transforming your health from the inside out? Not next year, not months from now, but starting today. Because the truth is, your body is constantly communicating with you. Every ache, every extra pound, every moment of fatigue, these are not random. They are signals. Signals that something deeper is happening beneath the surface. Something that most people completely ignore until it becomes serious. And one of the biggest hidden issues affecting millions of people around the world today is inflammation. Hide this silent problem inside your body. Inflammation is not always obvious. It doesn't always come with pain. It doesn't always stop you in your tracks. But slowly, quietly, it builds. And over time, it becomes the foundation for many of the most common health problems people struggle with today. E. Weight gain. E. Belly fat accumulation. E. Fatigue. E. Digestive issues. H. Joint discomfort. H. Heart problems. H. High cholesterol. A. Even liver dysfunction. Now here's the part that might surprise you. There is a direct connection between inflammation and obesity. They feed each other. The more fat your body stores, especially around your abdomen, the more inflammation increases. And the more inflammation rises, the harder it becomes to lose that fat. It becomes a vicious cycle. E. The dangerous fat you can't ignore. Not all fat is the same. There is a type of fat called AD visceral fat ear. This is the fat that wraps around your inso. This is not just about appearance. This is about survival. Because visceral fat is highly active, it releases inflammatory chemicals into your bloodstream constantly. And these chemicals begin to damage your body from the inside. AE, they affect your blood vessels. AE, they interfere with insulin. A, they disrupt your metabolism. A, they increase your risk of heart disease. Over time, this can lead to serious conditions like DOE high triglycerides, DE elevated LDL bad cholesterol, DA blocked arteries, EE increased risk of heart attack. This doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly, silently, until one day your body can't keep up anymore. The natural solution most people overlook. Now here's where things get interesting. Nature has always provided powerful solutions. But in today's world, they are often ignored. One of the most powerful natural remedies you can use is ginger. Yes, simple, everyday ginger. But don't underestimate it, because ginger is not just a spice. It is a medicinal powerhouse. So what makes ginger so powerful? Ginger contains a compound called gingerol 4. This is the active ingredient responsible for most of its healing properties. And gingerol has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, support metabolism, improve digestion, lower cholesterol levels, help regulate blood sugar. But what makes it truly special works with your body, not against it. Ginger versus inflammation. Inflammation often comes from antioxidative stress. This happens when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Think of it like rust forming inside your system. Over time, this internal rust damages your cells. Ginger helps neutralize this process. It acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting your body at a cellular level. And when inflammation goes down, everything begins to improve. Your metabolism becomes more efficient. Your digestion improves. Your energy increases. Your body starts releasing stored fat. Ginger and weight loss. Now let's talk about something many people care about: weight loss, especially stubborn belly fat. Ginger works in several powerful ways. Lower 1. Boost metabolism. Ginger slightly raises your body temperature. This is called thermogenesis. This process helps your body burn more calories, even at rest. Lower 2. Controls appetite. One of the biggest struggles is your create a feeling of fullness, known as satiety. This naturally reduces your calorie intake without forcing yourself. All 3. Improves digestion. Poor digestion can lead to bloating, discomfort, and fat storage. Ginger supports healthy digestion and helps your body process food more efficiently. 4. Balances blood sugar. Spiked sugar often lead to cravings and fat storage. Ginger helps stabilize these levels, reducing cravings and energy crashes. Ginger and heart health. Now let's go deeper. Your heart depends on clean, smooth blood flow. But when cholesterol and triglycerides rise, things begin to change. LDL, bad cholesterol, increases. Triglycerides build up. Arteries start to narrow. This restricts blood flow. And over time, it can lead to a heart attack. Ginger has been shown to help. Lower LDL cholesterol. Reduce triglyceride levels. Improves circulation. This helps keep your arteries cleaner and more flexible. Ginger and liver health. Your liver plays a major role in fat metabolism, but when it becomes overloaded, fat starts to accumulate, leading to fatty liver disease. Ginger helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Improve detoxification. Protect liver cells from damage. This is critical for long-term health. Why millions are turning to ginger. Across the world, more and more people are returning to natural remedies, not because they are trendy, but because they work. Ginger has been used for generations in traditional medicine, and now modern science is catching up, confirming what people have known for centuries. When should you take ginger? Timing matters. And one of the most effective ways to use ginger is in the form of ginger water. The best time to drink water. The most powerful time to drink it is first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Why? Because your body is in a fasting state. This allows ginger to absorb more effectively. Kickstart your metabolism. Activate digestion. Begin fat-burning processes early. How to prepare ginger water, simple method. Let me show you exactly how to make it. It's simple. You don't need expensive ingredients. You don't need special tools. Ingredients: fresh ginger root, icho water. Optional: honey, natural sweetener, lemon. Steps. 1. Take a small piece of fresh ginger. 2. Wash it thoroughly. 3. Peel the skin, optional. 4. Slice or grate it. 5. Add it to a pot of water. 6. Bring it to a boil. 7. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. 8. Turn off the heat. 9. Let it cool slightly. 10. Strain the water into a cup. That's it. Simple, natural, effective. Optional additions. If the taste is strong, you can add a teaspoon of honey, squeeze of lemon. But try to keep it as natural as possible to your stomach. Drink 1 glass in the morning, empty stomach. Optional, before meals. Wait about 15-20 minutes before eating. What happens after a few days? This is where things get exciting. Within just a few days, you may start to notice. Reduce bloating. Improve digestion. More energy, less cravings. A lighter feeling in your body. And over time, you may begin to see belly fat reduction, a better metabolism. You improved overall health. Important reminder. Ginger is powerful. It works best when combined with healthy eating, regular movement, good sleep. Think of it as a support system for your body. Combine it with simple habits. You don't need extreme working. Walking, light exercise, staying active. Even simple movements can amplify the effects of ginger. Okay, final thoughts. Your health is not built in one day, but it can begin to change in one day. Small actions, repeated consistently, create powerful results, and something as simple as ginger water can be the first step. Today, your next step. Start tomorrow morning. Just 1 cup. Give your body the chance to respond, because healing doesn't always require something complicated. Sometimes it starts with something simple, a call to action. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends and family, because someone you care about might need this information. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Your journey matters. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and take care of your body, because it's the only one you have.